So you want to start a YouTube channel in 2020 or beyond. These are the four things, the four key fundamental things that you need to think about and know before you even start.
Veena V.
Hey, happy day. How are you? My name is Veena V and I shift your beliefs and build up your business right here on YouTube. So what are the four fundamentals? What are the four key core concepts that you need to know for starting your YouTube channel in 2020? Numero uno thing you need to know is you need to have a clear message. Look, as we are evolving in the world, we need to be having a clear identity. We need to be having a clear brand message. It really is all about personal branding. And I'm not going to go into the A to Z guide of personal branding, but when it comes to your YouTube channel, what content are you delivering to your audience? Now, even on my own YouTube channel, I've been through such an evolution. It's up until very recently, I mean, I really feel now that I'm in a place where I'm really super crystal clear on the value I'm delivering to you. When I first started this channel, this was a lot about random, it was the most random content ever, like how to be a great boyfriend and why I love So Solid Crew. Just random videos like that. Then I moved more into YouTube tips, which really has been a theme on this channel for many years. But then I was getting a bit muffled, I think, with my message, because some of the videos I were doing were about kind of the YouTube algorithm and trying to look into analytics, and that ain't me. Honey bunny, that ain't me. When I see numbers, something just happens to my mind and I get really like confused. So when I look at that content, I just think, Veena, what were you doing? But now on this channel, it's so much about shifting your beliefs. So we do a lot more kind of motivational stuff, a lot more mindset work on when it comes to launching and growing a YouTube channel. And I help you build up your business here as well. So this channel, of course, anyone can watch this channel, but I do focus on business owners, entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, how they can use the power of video and YouTube to spread their message. And I truly believe that all of us have a message that we should be spreading with the world right here on YouTube. So that is my kind of core identity here on YouTube. So what's yours? If you've just heard that and thought, oh yeah, that is clear, I know what value she's delivering, what value are you going to deliver on your YouTube channel? And if you are a business owner, if you are a coach, and for example, you're a life coach or a mindset coach, you have to get even more clearer on that, because what is the real value? Because again, take me as an example. There's lots of channels out there that can give YouTube tips and we can all be giving the same kind of advice, but what makes me different? What makes my channel different? What makes you different? Okay, you've really got to get to grips with that. And you might think that's boring. Some people have maybe already clicked off this video. No, come back. But sometimes it's the stuff that you think's not important that is important. Okay, so please take the time to really understand who you are and what is going to be your message on YouTube. So that's the first thing. Number two is plan your content. Again, it sounds boring, but it's really more beneficial than you'll ever know here on YouTube, because learn from me. I should start a hashtag don't be like Veena, because Veena, me, has gone through this whole process of being highly inconsistent on YouTube. And yes, my channel has grown, but that's not a best practice. If I want to be creating as much impact as I want, if I want to be helping and serving people to my highest potential, like, you need a plan. And I didn't have a plan when I started. I was just throwing up content. So again, really sit down with yourself. Look, I got all my, I've got this big notebook here. Write down a plan for your YouTube channel. What content are you going to be releasing? What videos? Is it one video a week when you start? Is it one video every other week? What is it? You need to be writing down this kind of gold dust of a plan. It's kind of your ideal plan for how you want your YouTube channel to go. Write down your upload schedule, write down the content that you're going to be filming, so you can look at that and think, I've got my YouTube strategy sorted for the next 3 months. It's so important when you're starting and launching your channel on YouTube, okay? Plan your content. Number 3 is schedule in the time. You've got to be committed. You've got to be, if you have not watched my video yet, saying my big announcement, click the link above right now. That is my big announcement to YouTube, and it's all about commitment. Did I get married? Did I not? You have to watch that video to find out. But we've got to be committed to our YouTube channel. You've got to see this as a business. You're not going to grow on this platform if you don't schedule in the time. And why I'm saying schedule in the time is because I hate that phrase when people say, I'm so busy. We are all so busy. Trust me, like, I am a single mum, and the amount of stuff I have to get done in a day by myself, I don't have anyone else helping me, and I've got to run a business. It's hard. It is hard. I'm not going to lie and be like, oh yeah, it's so easy. It's not. It's difficult. But this is why you've got to schedule in the time. Look, for me today, it's a Saturday when I'm recording this video, okay? And my son has gone to his dad's house. Now, I could have gone out and seen my friend, which I did a few weeks ago. It sounds like I've only got one friend. But, I could have gone out and seen my friend, but I was like, do you know what? I need to get this done. This is my priority right now, and I'm scheduling in this time. I found the time in my schedule to film these videos for you, to film these videos for my business, okay? So look at your week. Where do you have a pocket of time where you can be consistent and film your videos? Or hallelujah for batch filming. Now, if you don't know what batch filming is, that's where you pick a day, like I've done, a Saturday, and you just keep pumping out the videos. Film as many videos as you possibly can. High energy, that's another video in itself, actually. If you're not high energy, don't put on the persona. They're like, hey, welcome to... I've seen loads of YouTubers that are like, really like, oh my God, I'm on YouTube. This is my channel. And then when I meet them in real life, they like, don't want to talk. And I'm like, oh, I thought you're really different to your channel. So don't be like that. Be authentically you. What I meant by high energy is just give your best. Give all of your energy, all of your knowledge in your videos, okay? And then try and film as many videos as you can in that pocket of time you have. Batch filming will just save you so much time in the short and long term, okay? Because when you batch film, like for example today, I've had to set up this shot once. I've had to make sure I've got enough battery in my microphone once. So I'm doing everything once, but having multiple results from doing things once. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So that is the next thing you need to do is find the time, create the time in your schedule to be consistent with YouTube. And the last thing I want to say to you is about your presentation. Presentation over equipment. Presentation over equipment. People think you need, especially when you're starting, and this is the excuse that I hear so many of my clients say, is they're waiting to get a camera. They're waiting to get a microphone. They're waiting until the sun is shining before they can record a video. No. Stop the excuses, okay? what you need to be focusing on is not the equipment you have. You need to be focusing on yourself. You need to be focusing on how you're presenting on camera. And this is a thing that a lot of people don't talk about on YouTube. And it's, you know, they tell you the cameras that you need, lighting, and yes, all of those stuff are relevant. Of course, we want to be making the best quality video as you can, but quality also means the quality of your content. And I'm not even going to stop there, because a lot of people don't talk about this part. They say about your content, but they're not talking about the quality of your delivery. How are you delivering your content? How are you delivering your message on YouTube? You could have the best camera. You could have the best content that's going to change someone's life for the better, that's going to improve your business. But if you're not delivering that in the right way, they're going to click off your video. And no one's talking about this on YouTube. You've got to work on becoming a really great presenter. Okay, how are you communicating your message? And even for me, I'm working on my presentation skills all the time, because one of my bad habits is I use my hands. You probably say I use my hands so much, but as you can see now, I've kind of got my hands and you can't see them sometimes because they're like down here. So even though they're moving around a bit, you can't really see it that much. I also talk really, really fast sometimes, especially when I'm excited. I'm like, oh my God, did you see that? Do you want to learn this? Like, I get really overly excited about everything in life. And sometimes, of course, it's great. Like, I can't stop being myself, but I try and tone it down just a little bit for YouTube, so my voice just slows down, because otherwise you ain't gonna have a clue what I'm saying, because I talk so darn fast. Okay, that is what I'm talking about in terms of presentation. I hope you have liked this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up and write this comment below: I believe in myself. Like, I'm not joking. I know it sounds cheesy, but I want you to get into this mindset now of really bigging yourself up. Praise yourself, okay? Believe in yourself. If you've got this far in the video, write in the comment section below, I believe in myself. All right? We've got a previous video for you there. Go and watch that. And I want you to work on becoming a happiness hustler. Hustle for happiness and take action today, not tomorrow. I love you. You're amazing.